What I'm saying is that if I can go back in time, I should have balanced it out para even on my bad days, I can create stuff, I can write stuff. Kasi it takes 100 bad songs to write one hit. Imagine yung mga artists nowadays, ilang albums yung nalabas nila, and as a casual listener, yun lang yung naalala nyo. Ito na lang, pinakamagandang example, Mayonnaise. I'm not really sure exactly how many albums yung nalabas na nila, pero the outstanding ones are Jopay, of course, Bakit Part 2, Bakit Part 1, Tayo na lang dalawa, Kapag Lasing, recently, gustong gusto ko yung Dragon, Synesthesia, tapos Sinungaling, yun na yun. Porta, pero that's just one album.